So I'm going to show you how to create a Contact Us page using a free tool, Google Forms, which you can embed on your storefront. And then as users submit questions or comments, you're going to get an email and then you can respond to these people to help them out with whatever they need. So the first thing we're actually going to do, we're going to go to Google Forms and we're going to add a new form. It's just google.com/forms. If you have a Gmail account, this will be free. It's all included here. We're going to call this Contact Us and we're going to add a new question here. What can we help you with? And we'll make this a paragraph. So that's important so that they have a lot of room here to enter whatever they have questions about. And this should be required as well. And then we're going to go to settings here. And there's this option here to collect email addresses. So this we need so that we can actually reply to the person later. And if you're using a Gmail account that's maybe on your business, associated with your domain, it might default to restricting it to only allow people on your domain to actually submit this form. So just uncheck that. We want this to be public for everyone. And then under customize theme, we can switch this up to match our brand colors. And then you can also have a header image here to customize a little bit further, switch up that background color and all that. So for now, we'll just keep it pretty basic here. And then we're going to go to this send option and we'll click on this little code icon and there's going to be an iframe here. So we're just going to copy this. And then we're going to go back to Uscreen. We're going to go to the customization area here and click on pages. And we will add a new page. And we will call this Contact Us, as you guessed. And under this page content, we're going to click on this little HTML icon and we're going to paste in that iframe we copied. And so here's our embedded form. I can see right off the bat, there's actually a bit of a scroll bar. So let's just expand our height a little bit. So we just go back into the code here. We type in 600 and when we click it, it's refreshed and it should remove that scroll bar there nicely. So to make sure that people can actually see this, we're going to click on show on site and we're going to add this as a page template and we'll click create new page. So the next step here, we're going to go to customization again. We're going to click on navigation and we're going to edit our main menu, whatever is the top one you're using there. And we're going to click on add menu item. And what you type in this title here, this is actually what the end user will click to get access. So we'll make sure we've capitalized everything properly here, Contact Us. And then under choose page is where our Contact Us pages that we just created. We'll hit save and we should shuffle this up a little bit. It's really important that sign out and our sign in is actually the last menu item. That's just how a lot of people are used to in various interfaces. So we're going to click on our storefront here and I'm just going to refresh the page and there's our Contact Us link. So if I click it, you'll see my form. It's all here. I'm going to fill this out. I'll just show you kind of how it works to receive that response. So I click help me and we're going to go back to our Google form. And now I should see responses at the top here. We can actually send all responses to a spreadsheet, which might be a good idea for you. There's some really cool stuff here. Like you'll get email notifications whenever people leave a response. But if you want to see everything in a nice spreadsheet, this can be the way to go. We can add a column here, responded. And this will just help me know which ones I've actually responded to. But yeah, you should have their email address and what they had questions about, and then you can send a response that way. So that's a quick way to add a Contact Us page. Super simple, and Google Forms is free. There's lots of other tools out there like Typeform, Cognito Form, so you can kind of check them out, see which one works best for you.